Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Gas prices are at a 9-month low. As of tomorrow, a litre of 87 gasoline will sell for an average of $123.46. 90 gasoline will go for $126.29. Both products are down by $2.22. Automotive diesel is down by $2.96, while $2.78 will be shaved off the price of ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene will sell for $2.28 less. Propane will see a slight increase of 10 cents, while butane will go for 5 cents more. Now, of course, retailers will add their respective markups to these prices. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in January went up by 36 cents to settle at $52.95 a barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar clawing back gains made by the Jamaican dollar over the past month. The greenback closed the day selling for $128.57. The Canadian dollar closed for $97.38. The pound ended the day at $161.35, while the euro is being sold for $147.01 on average. The JSE index gained 46 points today, while the junior market index is down by 31 points. Among the winners, Burrito Investments, Carib Cement, Express Catering, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, Knutsford Express, and Lasco Distributors. Now, among the losers were AMG Packaging and Paper, Consolidated Bakeries, Derrimon Trading, Epley, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and KLE Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.